Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off Apple Pay restrictions. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So, in order to fix Apple Pay restricted on your iPhone, you have to follow these steps. First, open the Settings app and tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. From here, go into Personal Information and check your date of birth. Apple Pay requires you to be at least 18 years old in most regions. Make sure your date of birth is correct and shows that you are 18 or older. After updating it, tap Done and Exit. Now, if that doesn't fix the issue, go back into your Apple ID settings and tap on Payment and Shipping. Here, you'll see your added cards. Select your card and try removing and re-adding it. While doing this, make sure all your billing details are correct and match your bank records. This step helps refresh your payment authorization and often resolves restrictions. If the issue still isn't fixed, the final step is to contact Apple Support. Open your browser and search for Contact Apple Support. Then go to their official page. Here, select iPhone as your device. Then, from Select More, and when these options appear, select Apple Pay. Follow the prompts to connect with a support representative. They can check your account status and remove any restrictions that you can't fix manually. Also, keep in mind that Apple Pay can be restricted due to regional limitations, unverified identity, or security flags on your account. In such cases, only Apple Support can fully resolve the issue. And that's it. So that's basically how you can turn off Apple Pay restrictions. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.